Shira. I am a beginner bike rider. I'm out here on the trails because I got a new job with Lumen Trail. What? And they let me take out the bike and let me take out some of the, components of bike accessories that they've got. And I'm super excited, but it's telling me that I am super out of shape and I'm going to be working hard to get back into shape. And this is going to be my, you're going to come along on the journey because I have no idea where it's going to take us, other than probably head over the handlebars. But we're going to try it and we're going to make it work. So enjoy the adventure.